Blueberry cobbler, the easiest you'll ever make, I guarantee it. Trust the process, believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. All right, the first thing you'll want to do is take your 9x13 baking dish and butter or spray your pan. You want to get a large mixing bowl and a spatula of some sort to stir your mixture. Mix 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of self-rising flour, stir them together. We're gonna have 2 sticks of melted butter, or 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of milk, and just mix this around till combined. We don't wanna overstir. Okay, it'll be a thin batter. Now we're going to want to grab our baking dish. We're gonna pour the batter right into it, spread evenly. Okay, we have 3 cups of Michigan blueberries. You can have frozen or fresh. Just sprinkle them all over the batter. You can use any fruit that you want actually for this cobbler. The base goes well with any of them. I've used peaches, blackberries. Spread it about. Our last step is to take about 1/4 cup of sugar and just sprinkle it all on the top. We're gonna put it in a 350-degree preheated oven for about an hour. Okay, got it out of the oven. We're gonna test to see if it's completely done. I just do a test to see if it's firm. It feels firm. The edges are brown, nice and golden. It's done. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. It was very easy to make. So let's get David in here to try it. David, the cobbler's done. And we also topped it with some blueberry compote.
Is that a compote? Is that what they call it?
I don't know what it is.
It's a simple sugar
sauce.
It's a simple sugar, 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. And then you just throw in as many blueberries you want. And you cook it down until it reduces a little bit. Then you can pour it on top, and it does.
Looks delicious. Good. Yes.
Can I try this now?
So I'm going to give you a spoon. You can try it.
Heck yeah. I love this cobbler. It is. I don't want to see in the comments, please, that this isn't cobbler to you. There are multiple ways to make cobbler. This is a very simple way. There's the crust way.
It's a cakey.
Because the original cobbler was actually just fruit on the bottom of a pan, and they poured a sweet biscuit on top. Then they baked it. That's the original cobbler. So if you're doing it with crust, it's different. Oh my goodness. That simple syrup does amazing on it. Does amazing work on this.
It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. The blueberries really pop.
Those are Michigan blueberries. We live close to Michigan, and we have family that can get them for us. Obviously, if you can't get them, use the blueberries. You can have raspberries, peaches, apples, mixed blueberries and peaches. It's amazing. It's so simple.
It is very simple.
It is so simple and satisfying.
Very quick to make. It's just the most amount of time is the baking part. Was it good?
It was delicious.
All right.
It's always delicious. I mean, that is you can't go wrong with that recipe. Nope. Flour, butter, sugar.
Yep. Easy.
Yeah. Fruit.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See ya.
Have a great day.